forgot to mention two things, so I'll mention them in this video. First is commenting. So if I open any of these three documents, let's say Google Docs, and I'm writing something, so let's just say that, then I can highlight it, and using this button, this plus comment button, I can add a comment, or I can add a comment by going up here to comments and selecting comment, and then I can write a comment such as comment. So this will give the date, time, and name on who commented this. So if someone is collaborating with you on the same document, whether it's lifetime or not, everyone will be able to see this comment. And once this comment is resolved, I can just press the resolve button, and the history will be saved. So if I press this comment button, then my comment will appear and who resolved it. And this, once again, is available on all three Google documents, so Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, and is very useful when collaborating live time. In the email, if I want to send an email, I was referring earlier to the insert files using Drive and saying that I'll come back to this. So now is the time. If I press this, then instead of inserting files from just your computer, I can actually insert files from my Google Drive, whether it's my drive, team drives, shared with me, or etc. And so for example, if I go to my drive and I want to share this, let's say shared with me, and I want to share this video with someone, I can just click on it and it'll automatically be attached, even though it's not on my computer, but only on my Google Drive.